welcome back to my channel Entertainment and Skills. Today, I will show you some new and amazing tricks and tips to improve your skills and earn more money by using these skills in your projects. If you want more informative and online earn money videos, please subscribe to my channel. I upload daily videos about different tricks and tips to earn money online by using different tools easily. Alright, let's go to my laptop screen. I will show you how you can remove any logo and any watermark from any video and then use that video without a watermark. Let's start. This is a website 123 app. You can search it on Google and open it from this link. I will also share a link in the description. You can get it from there. Now it's open. There are so many tools you can use for your different projects or as per your need. But in this video, I will show you how you can remove watermarks or logos from your videos by using this application. It's very easy to do. First of all, you have to click on this icon to remove the logo from the video. Now you have to drag that video to this section from which you want to remove the logo or watermark. Like this. Now we have to select a part of the video where the logo is attached and select that part like this. And then click on the preview button to check it properly. It takes a few seconds. And then you can save it without any watermark or logo, and there are no charges. It's free for now. Check this out. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and share with your friends.